may be known for the sun-kissed beaches of the south, but if you want to see the real Tenerife, you have to explore in the north. We've come up to Mount Teide. It's nearly 4,000 metres high and is Spain's largest mountain, as well as a very mighty volcano. So I bet you didn't know that Tenerife has a rainforest, and I've just had a drip on my head as if to prove it. That is intense, that smell. We're at the Casa de Carnival here in Santa Cruz, celebrating all things Tenerife Carnival, and it's time to dress up. Just when you think you know a place, it has the capacity to surprise and delight. This is my 6th trip to Tenerife, and I've seen things this time around that I'd never seen before. Now, I'd been north, south, east and west on the island, but this was a real experience here in Tenerife. I saw the real Tenerife, and I'd really recommend it. It was cultural. There was lots of beautiful nature and lots and lots of amazing landscapes.